This is Chippy from UMC Portal with the Villiv X70 UMPC. I'm going to try and give you a quick demo of the on-screen keyboard here. We're starting in the Cube UI interface. You might have seen that before. It's quite a useful user interface for putting shortcuts and applications that can be easily accessed. Let's start Firefox. You'll see it starts pretty quickly. Now there's a button on the bottom left-hand side here. You'll see that for press. That brings up the keyboard tab or the keyboard, depends how you closed it down last time. But if I click on that, then you can see the keyboard there. So let's try a few things. Let's do a little search first. UMPC, enter, and hide. As you can see, no problem there. Let's try doing a URL www. Now here's a problem here. It's got a notification window has popped up over the top of the keyboard, so I now have to click the notification window down and actually refocus the cursor and then carry on. Portal.com. And sorry, I put it in the Google search box there, but there you can see. So the keyboard is not too bad as long as the notifications don't come up. And of course, if you've got things like Twitter running, Google Talk, all the notifications come up on the right hand side here, which actually obscures the keyboard. I don't know if there's a way whether you can raise or force the keyboard to raise over the top of everything else, but so far I haven't seen that. Let's go into Notepad. I'll quickly just type some stuff. It will be a little bit difficult because I'm sitting behind the camera, but I'll give it a shot. Right then, so keyboard, get the focus. This is a test. In fact, what I'll do is I'll actually put the font format right up so that you can see maybe what's going on as well on the screen. Right, enter. This is space A. You might be able to hear the haptic feedback as well. Annoys my wife. You can turn that off. So for normal text, it's actually pretty good. Problem comes when you start to use numerics and special characters, and you have to hit mode. And for example, if you want an ampersand sign, you hit mode and then you have to hit shift and then 2. So it's actually quite a number of key presses. But having said that, you're not likely to be using this for creating too much more than a short email or an instant message or a URL or a password. So actually the on-screen keyboard is pretty okay for that. And as I said, I find it better than the Villiv S5. So that's the on-screen keyboard for the X70.